That's better. This box is like someone rocked this box's shit. Like, you know. The usual paper. Even more paper. The mouse pad. I thought they would wrap it up and give it its own box. It's actually quite big. Holy shit, slippers. Whoa. That's a big photo card. Like, compared to the Mume photo card, like, damn. Like Ina got a full-size card. Like, that's a nice card. Oh, these are the crony socks. I needed more socks. I want Hololive to do more socks. Because, like, this is, like, the only part of the design that's, like, crony. Like, come on, minimalist merch socks. Please. More of this. I ordered 2. And for sock prices, they're not bad. Like, and I've had the Toa socks for, like, a few weeks. And their quality is actually decent. Like, they're a thick fabric, so they won't wear through as quickly as these, like, Target Straw Brand ones that I'm wearing. Yeah. More of these, please. Please. I want to wear your merch. I just don't want to, like, wear... I don't need more t-shirts. Maybe pants? That'd be interesting. It's really hard to do pants, though. Underwear. That's kind of an LTT thing, though. Okay, those go in the drawer. To be honest, I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of these, but I'm probably going to use them at least once. These are big, though. These are way bigger than I thought they would be. Like... Okay, you're going to get feet for this one, but, like... That is big. Like, damn. That is way bigger than I thought they would be. Anyways, there's also the keychain, which... Only issue I have with keychains that are limited edition is I don't want to put them on my keys, because if I lose them, I won't get them back. And I've already had, like, keychains break on me. This one just broke. Probably because I'm fairly rough with my stuff. So I might just hang this, like, on my mirror in my car, rather than using it like a normal keychain. This lighting is kind of meh, but yeah, 2 of 3 light bulbs in my room are out, so I don't feel like fixing that. Higher quality content will come someday. I swear. Probably when I'm out of school. Watch this video and not be out till I'm out of school. That would be ridiculous. So this video comes out in May. It's very cute. I like it. Focus. Come on. Come on. Come on. Focus. Focus. No. Fine. No, okay. Fucking focus. Jeez. Okay, whatever. It's cute. Yeah, this was designed by Ina on stream. It's in a little, like, envelope. Oh, okay. So I don't have to keep it in... Oh, yeah, they did that with the Mume one. This could probably be shifted over a little bit. Oh, but it's sealed. I don't want to unseal it. And I just like... Yeah! But now it's over too far. Okay, that's like a little frustrating. Hang on. Perfect. 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 That's going on the shelf because I don't want it getting fucked up. Oh yeah, the main, like, part of the main reason I bought this. The mouse pad. My only point of comparison for, like, YouTuber mouse pads is the LTT Store Dust Pad. And that thing's incredible. It's great. I bought 2 of them. This one doesn't feel... Like, it doesn't have the, like, embroidered edges. Immediately, first thing I noticed. And even my, like, cheapo 5 Below Mario Kart desk pad has embroidered edges, or whatever the edge thing is called. So a little concerning. I don't even know if I want it to be clear though. So this is it compared to, like, my desk setup with the LTT pad. Wow, that is a cursed face. That is cursed. Don't mind, my desk is a fucking mess right now, but, yeah, it's smaller. It's actually not as big as the LCT one. I thought it was bigger. I know they have the measurements, but, like, I can't read for shit. What else do you want to do? I don't know what to do. I'm gonna put my room's a fucking mess. Mine's the mess. I don't know. I'm barely gonna fucking edit this. Like, look at it. It's happy. It's happy to have my feet. It is funny. Although I have never owned slippers before, so I don't have any point of comparison for this one. I think it's a little bit cheaper feeling, but, like, I'm comparing it to their plushies, because, like, that is the only, it feels like one of their plushies, to be honest. Plushies, like their plushies, like this is great. This is great. This is great. That's not theirs, though. This is great. These two are also great. I'm kind of done. Bye.